Make dinner delicious for everyone this Thanksgiving with a gluten-free dish that's fit for the whole family. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I'll show you how to make my famous green bean casserole with a gluten-free twist. To kick things off, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Take a large bowl and add 1 can of gluten-free cream of mushroom soup, a half cup of low-fat milk for your daily dose of bone-strengthening calcium, a half teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper for a little extra flavor, then stir it up. Next, add in 3 cans of Hy-Vee's nutritious, French-style, no salt added green beans, followed by a package of sliced mushrooms. I like to use the baby Bellas in this recipe for their delicious taste and filling finish. These fungi are filled with immunity-boosting vitamin D to help your body fight off seasonal colds. Once your ingredients are in the bowl, pour them into a casserole dish and put it in the oven for half an hour. While the casserole cooks, you can give thanks for the mouth-watering, gluten-free dish that's about to grace your taste buds. Once the 30 minutes are up, remove your dish from the oven and top the casserole with 1½ cups of gluten-free French fried onions. Then put it back in the oven for 5 minutes until the onions are golden brown. Yum! Now all that's left is to give thanks and eat up. For more great gluten-free ingredients like pie crust, stuffing, and gravy, just turn to your local Hy-Vee Health Market. For more Hy-Vee Healthy You recipes, head to Hy-Vee's YouTube channel. And remember, you can always connect virtually with your local Hy-Vee dietitian at hyvee.com/health.